has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Burnham Parish in west central Louisiana, north central L.N. Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sugartown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elizabeth, Pitkin, Sugartown, Grant, Fullerton, Craven, and Mundic Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, southwestern, and west central Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, southwestern, and west central Louisiana.